In front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is green, which means that location is on. To turn it off, tap on the same shortcut until it's white. But you can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and look for Location section over here. Then tap on it and use this switcher at the top to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe.